Where's... Haha! It's here. Sugar cookie? This right here tastes amazing. That's an understatement. You should try some of these. You know I gotta have more of this chocolate. There's only so many left. I ate most of it yesterday when we were watching Christmas Chronicles 2. Oh, so good. Alright, so this is not going to be the last day that the green screen is going to be up, but yep, that's the first thing. I need to take out this pin here without hurting myself. When I hammered this in, the head of the pin broke off, and now it's just so sharp to pull off. Like it hurts. So the only way I can do it is with these scissors. Retired green screen. Ah. Ah. Look at this. Ah, so comfortable. So green. I'm lying in the green corner. Alright, so over here I got the books. We're bringing it downstairs to the downstairs shelf. This disco light right here is so freaking loud. I mean, even the electronic chips inside of it, even the stuff inside of it are so noisy. Let me plug this in and turn it on. It's just so noisy. It's like an analog thing trying to be digital. It's just not gonna happen. Well, here's the disco light. As you can see, it's on. And it leaves all these nice patterns in my room. But it is just so freaking noisy. You didn't think the electronics inside that made the light change would actually be noisy, would you? Well, I mean, have a listen to this. I've never ever seen anything that relies on chip timer frequency for the different colors that happen. Why do I have just the strong urge to just try and take this apart? The reveal. It's literally just 3 lights, and it's literally like a tiny little motherboard. Over here looks like the motor itself, and actually let me just turn it on. All it does is it turns it in a circular motion, so it sort of swings about in that tiny little... The lights are extremely bright, by the way. I mean, you could light up a whole room with this thing, but there's only one question that remains. What do the electronics themselves sound like? You heard that little buzzing noise? I wonder if it's amplified and what piece is making the noise. Technology. This thing gets hot. Oh, this is not hot anymore. This is like an epoxy blob right there. That is a big transistor. I mean, it's probably one of those chips. You can see it's probably, there's 2 of them right there. Probably one of the 2. When I look on the other side though, it's just the motor. It's pretty simple, but they all work in harmony, and it looks just very complicated, but it's very simple. It's probably that 3rd chip down there. Do you see it? That right there is probably what makes all the noise. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch it with the screwdriver. When I touch the pins, you can see that it flickers. When I touch the different pins, well, that's to turn it off, I think. When I touch the top pins, it flickers to those different colors. So yeah, this is definitely the chip that's making all the noise. Get out of here, get out of here. Gosh, that was just a sudden shaking there, but it still works. So now that I know it's that very spot, and it's that chip down there that's making all the noise, I just find it so weird. Let's move on with the vlog. Look at that. That's my dinner. It's just a small video of what I do after school. I have no idea how much I filmed today. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye. Gosh, that was weird. Bye. I did the dishwasher earlier, and I totally remember the sink being completely empty, right? Like there's nothing in the sink. The dishwasher's on. the dishwasher's still running and there's like so much in the sink now. Like how much stuff do they generate every single day? Oh my gosh. It's like ridiculous. At least when I'm living on my own, I only need to do it once a week.